Well, just missed a shot at a coyote. Seems like that's at least the third coyote I've seen this morning. They were chasing deer earlier this morning, and then that one come in on a turkey call. Had some gobbling, but I think they're getting real quiet because of the amount of coyotes that are hunting them in this area. So the turkey just don't want to come in. Have to do some predator control, I guess. Alright, so we're re-looking at the shot that I took this morning. I wanted to get Nate's opinion on what if I hit this or not. So I put it up on a big screen. There's a coyote right up there. So he comes down and he stops down here and I shoot him. Tell me what you think. That's what I thought. I thought I heard the whack. So I'm going to head back out tomorrow and look around again, see if I did hit him, possibly get my bolt back and hunt in the morning out there. I would love to know what you think. Did I hit the coyote or not? Let me hear your opinions down in the comment boxes below.